Hello, I'm Ken from Life Abroad. Knowing how to take care of small injuries in foreign countries is important. Today, I'll show you 3 types of wound care products in Japan for disinfection and protection. Now, let's talk about how to use these. No matter which product you use, the first step is to wash the area with soap and water and dry. This ensures no dirt or debris is on the affected area when you disinfect. The first one is disinfectant, similar to Bactin. It comes in 2 types, regular and spray. The ingredients differ slightly, however. For more details, visit the link in the description. The next one is rubbing alcohol. In Japanese, we call this 消毒用エタノール IP. The third one is an ointment that is good for skin problems. For example, you can apply it to minor burns, acne, sunburn, rashes, and other irritations. I hope this helps you understand how to use Japanese wound care products. For more information on these products, please visit the link in the description box below. Also, please note, if you have severe injury or burn, seek medical attention immediately. Do not attempt to treat it by yourself. Thank you. ありがとうございます。